Hey guys, how you doing? So today we're gonna cover a volume problem, this time dealing with a cone, and this problem came from the June 2009 Geometry Regents. So the problem reads as such: in the diagram below, a right circular cone has a diameter of 8 inches and a height of 12 inches. What is the volume of the cone to the nearest cubic inch? Okay, so since we're looking for volume and we're dealing with a cone, let's see if they have anything for us on the reference sheet that's provided at the back of the booklet when you guys get the Regents packet. So we have a bunch of formulas here. We have area and circumference, and here we have some volumes. So because we're dealing with a cone, the volume of a cone is actually right here. V equals 1/3 pi r squared times the height. Alright, so let's just write that formula down here so we can just have that at our fingertips. So V equals 1/3 pi r squared times the height. Okay, so let's try and get some information out of this. So here it says that the diameter of the cone is 8 and the height of the cone is 12. Okay, so since we know that the height is 12, we don't need to do much to figure that out, but they tell us that the diameter is 8. Okay, now there is no d variable in this equation, and what we need to do is figure out what the radius is, because diameter and radius have a relationship. So if we remember our properties of circles, if the diameter is some length, then the radius is just half that length. So if the diameter is 8, then the radius is 4. Okay, so it seems like we pretty much found these two variables, and we're good to go to find the volume of this formula. So let's do a little substitution. So we're going to have V equals 1/3 pi, the radius is 4, so that's 4 squared, times the height, and that's 12. Okay, so we're going to take the calculator. Let's see, so we're going to plug in. I'm going to evaluate this first, the 4 squared times 12, and then multiply by the pi. I'm going to get this value. Now when I multiply things by fractions, and it's 1 over something, I can just divide it by the denominator. So I'm just going to divide this result by 3. And I get 201.0619. So I'll just write that out. 201.0619 ... So when I put these ... I'm not rounding, I'm just writing that there are more digits after this 9. So if we go back to the problem, it says, what is the volume of the cone to the nearest cubic inch? That means round to nearest whole number. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check to see if there's a number that's 5 or more to the right of the decimal, and since that's not the case, I can just round to approximately 201 inches cubed, and that will be my answer for the problem, which is choice 1. And that was pretty much it on using the volume formula for a cone. So I'll be updating more videos using different volume formulas, and feel free to ask any questions in the comment section below. Take care. Bye.